Hello, I'm Sophia with Virtue Vibe. Today we're going to be making cucumber lemonade. This refreshing and nutritious drink has a simple recipe, and I guarantee you'll likely make this more than once. First step, wash your cucumbers and lemons, peels and all. Chop them into pieces so that they fit into your blender. I just cut my lemons into thirds and my cucumbers into fourths. This recipe is as simple as it gets. From here, you're going to add a little water to your blender and power it up. After it's all blended, here comes the only difficult part. The blended lemons and cucumbers will need to be strained. All the pulp has to be separated from the juice. Make sure you get as much out of it as possible because this is the source of the flavor. After this is done, simply stir it down into a pitcher of cold water along with your sweetener, which in this case I used raw honey. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe and stay tuned for more from Sophia and Virtue Vibe.